The message indicates to the driver that there is a malfunction in the rear left wheel TPMS. With Texa's TPS tool, you can quickly verify the proper operation of all the sensors located inside each tyre. After selecting the make, model and year of the vehicle, select the test item and place the TPS tool close to the tyre's valve. On the display, you must select the tyre you are testing and proceed with the reading of the sensor's data. If the ID code, the values of the pressure and temperature inside the tyre, along with the operation of the accelerometer and the status of the battery are displayed, this means the sensor is working properly. The test carried out on the rear left wheel is not successful, marking the corresponding tyre with an X. You may proceed with replacing the faulty TPMS sensor. Replace the faulty sensor with a universal type sensor that must be programmed. You must locate the ID code on the sensor you are replacing. The TPS tool is capable of programming the main universal sensors on the market. In this case, the new sensor must be programmed manually by copying the ID code into the tool using the keypad. Make sure the ID code you entered is correct. Place the TPS tool close to the sensor that must be programmed and press OK. TPS has an exclusive function that allows an automatic scan of the universal sensors and recognizes the sensor that is compatible for the programming. The check on the corresponding tyre indicates that the programming was successful. In the section Sensor Data, other than indicating the spare part codes of the sensor that are compatible for this vehicle, you must verify the tightening torques needed to install the sensor on the wheel rim and the TPMS reset procedures. In this case, before returning the vehicle to the customer, you must clear the error indication on the instrument panel using the diagnostic tool.